Hello friends, I hope you all are good, and today I am making the video for packing process because I received the so many messages regards the packing. In Finland you can buy everything. I told already in my all videos, but today I am making video in some detail. First of all, in packing you have to need, I make the list in my another phone. I will post it in my description. You can screenshot that. So now I'm reading that list. So first of all, you have to need your documents, passport, visa, RP card, offer letter, insurance, and all study certificates. Also you have to carry your driving license. For driving license, I am telling you, because Indian license you can drive the car for 2 years, I think, on Indian license. About the Nepal, Sri Lanka, I don't know, but Indian license is valid for 2 years. Phone is closed. Need to open it. And marriage certificate, if you are married, then marriage certificate is so important here. Any experience letter if you have. And for household you need to pressure cooker, because pressure cooker here is so expensive. Some crockeries, like some plates, spoons, glass, and bowls if you want. And warm clothes, because Finland is cold country, and here you need the warmer clothes, and you need to carry the quilt also, blanket also, because here almost weather is cold. Laptop is most important thing, laptop for your study. And winter shoes, winter jackets, medicines for initial stays when you reached in the Finland. If you cast by some viruses like cold, cough you have, then you can eat your Indian medicines, but with the doctor descriptions. You can carry your medicines. And one important thing, when you are packing, all electronics and liquids keep in your handbag, because when you are for immigration, and when you are checking your bags, they all most checked these things. You are packed your electronic things in the handbag or not. If you packed in your luggage, then they can't allow you. Then that's why in advance you pack that your electronics and liquid items in your handbag. And for now I remember these things, and if I forget something, almost I told you, I will written in description. You can screenshot that, and you can carry that all things. These are important things. And about the eatables you are asking, about the eatable, you can buy all accessories, all groceries in Finland. In Finland, everywhere is Asian store is available. You can buy the all Indian masalas and spices, all are here. No need to carry unnecessarily things. But yes, if you want to eat on initially state, when you arrived and you are hungry, then you can buy some eatables like packed food. You can carry not too much, just for one meal or two meal. So you can carry. Otherwise you can buy from Finland, all groceries available here. So bye bye. If I forget something, I will tell you in description. When I am editing, then I think I remember something, I will written in descriptions. And also you can message me, and you can ask me again if you have any query. You can ask from me. Thank you, and bye bye. We will meet in next video.